Welcome. If you want to download photos or pictures from Instagram on your Google Pixel 4a, at first you have to be logged into your Instagram account, and let's open the Instagram application. And I would like to take maybe this photo. So what we have to do right now, just smoothly jumps to the Play Store when we have to download application named Repost for Instagram. And we have to get this application from Kimsi929. So let's install. Right now we can open. So as you can see in the preview, we get two ways to download pictures. We can use the share button or three dots in the right upper corner, right? So I will use this second method. Let's open our Instagram. It's right here. So click on the three dots above the photo, click to share, and then select Repost for Instagram application. Right now let's move back to the application, and it saves two photos that were in the post, so we are going to pick up this one. As I said before, we can take off this signature, as you can see, by clicking right here. And if you want to save this photo to the gallery, click on the middle button. As you can see, it was saved. So right now when we open our gallery, or just simply files, I think that here we'll be able to open it, and yes, as you can see here we got the photo that we download. So as you can see, it's very easy, and I hope that this tutorial is going to help you. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.